What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you a software that you can use that's going to allow you to be able to copyright just like the pros do. It will be able to help you generate better leads, help you generate better sales conversions on your emails. What I'm talking about is it's called Automatic Script. It's a software that you can use that basically all you do is fill out certain information, and it will write an email or a sales letter for you that you can use in order to get a potential lead or get a potential sale that you need. So if you guys don't know me, my name's Kenny Wilson. This is my channel, Side Hustles for Dads. I'm basically a father myself, and we are a one income family. My wife lost her job back in 2020 during the pandemic. So I'm on here trying to create helpful content for other fellow dads or fellow affiliate marketers or anyone looking to get into affiliate marketer. This content is created just for you guys. So I hope it's valuable. I hope you guys think it's valuable. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of get right into it. This is Automatic Script. Again, this is a copywriting software that you can use in order to generate headlines, sales pages, emails. It's basically a software you can use that you don't have to pay loads of money to take a course on copywriting. This will do it for you. As you can see, I've kind of got a couple of them right here, a welcome email and other stuff like that. It's pretty robust. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of get into it right now. So if we just go over here to create a script, you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna do test for now, and then we just go through our steps here. And so this, you can choose from a common template or a personal template. Basically, you can create your own personal template, but mostly everyone uses common template. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different stuff you can use. You can use email sequences, call to actions, webinars, opt-in pages, headlines. So I'm just going to show you one of the ones that I use, which is email singles. And basically, you can use any of your affiliate products out there that you want to promote, and just fill in the questionnaire on this, and it will generate an email for you that you can send to your potential clients. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we can choose from a confirmation email, affiliate promoting an affiliate, which is what I use, and we are going to go ahead and choose a new one. I already used one for Bluehost, but I'm just going to use Automatic Script as an affiliate for just training purposes here. So that we go to our step 3, and then this is where it's gonna ask you all the questions here. It's gonna be able to you can fill it in with the examples, fill it in with previous replies if you've had previous replies on here. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different stuff on here. So type of product you're promoting. It always says optional on here because you don't have to fill it in if you don't want to. It's just the more you fill in, the better the script is going to be written, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and fill this in with the examples. So copywriting software is what I'm promoting, right? What has your product changed? The way I do business, automatic. What's the name of your product? So just I'm just using the already filled in answers because I'm just showing you guys what you can promote. But you can promote literally anything on here, anything that you're an affiliate of. So let's say you're an affiliate for a weight loss product, you're an affiliate for dog training, you're an affiliate for legendary marketer or something like that. This will create the script for you. So basically, I'm just kind of going to go through this real quick, and I'm going to go to create script. And here's your email newsletter. So as you can see, I'm taking a break from my usual emails to tell you copywriting software that I've discovered that changed the way I do business. It's called Automatic Script. So basically, and then you can get Automatic Script at, and this is where you can put in your affiliate link on here. So basically, as you can see, you don't. It just pretty much fills out the email for you. And then what's another great added feature on this is you can actually, if you're a blogger and that's the way you do your affiliate business, you can it's got ideas that you can use. Same thing with Instagram posts, and other various things you can do. So basically that's it in a nutshell. I know a lot of people that use this, and you don't have to be a guru in copywriting if you got something like Automatic Script doing it for you. So like I said, there's tons of different things that you can use to create sales letter, opt-in pages, hook magnets. There's a lot of stuff on there. So I use it for my email sequences on my subscriber list that I have with Aweber. So that's basically all you really need to really see on this one. So if we go back to our dashboard here, I can kind of show you, here's one that I created using just headlines. So you can use this on anything that you're promoting. I mean, I could, if I wanted to go on Facebook, or if you're using Google Ads or something like that, you can use this right here, and it's just got a bunch of headlines that you can use to kind of get that eye-catching for the consumer. That's kind of, they stop and they can actually click on it, right? So that's pretty much all that I have. I'm trying to think of if there's anything else I can kind of give you guys as far as any bonuses out there. If you want, I'm going to put a link down below for this. I will include a bonus on a 10-step copywriting software that you can download for free. So if that's what you guys find value on, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Again, that's pretty much it. It was a real short one today, so hopefully that gave you a pretty good insight into copywriting software out there. This is the one that I use and I recommend. It's easy to use and it gets the job done for me. So if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. And like I said, I'll go ahead and if you liked what you saw today, please subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys again next week. Thanks.